Ever wondered how a golf club is made? Well, here on Golfing World, we've been given exclusive access to the Dunlop Golf Club Corporation, SRI Sports' manufacturing plant and home of the new XXIO 7. The factory is based almost 900 kilometers south of Japan's capital city, Tokyo, on the south island of Kyushu. Situated within the region of Miyazaki, Miyakinoyo City has a population of just 170,000 and is best known for its agricultural farming, especially rice. It's in this location that the Sumitomo Group have two of their manufacturing plants. Established in the tire industry since 1909, the company is most famous for its work with Dunlop and Goodyear. However, right next door is the Dunlop Golf Club Corporation, and it's here that they make the three subsidiaries of the SRI Sports brand.
Dunlop Golf Club has been established for 22 years. Our manufacturing structure consists of producing approximately 60% XXIO clubs. The others we make here are Srixon and Cleveland Golf. These are the brands that we are currently manufacturing.
1.5 million shafts are manufactured here each year, which equates to producing over 6,000 clubs every day, of which 85% are sold within Japan. And if you take into account that they have zero emission status, zero waste, and a 0% failure rate, those statistics are just mind-blowing.
We try to make each golf club and every golf shaft the same quality, and to minimize any difference between them. We always aim to deliver to our customers the highest quality products, because in the factory we manufacture many golf clubs and golf shafts, but for every customer, theirs will be the most important one.
We are using the facilities we developed ourselves. Another thing we developed is our automatic controlling system. We manufacture our products using these facilities, which are state-of-the-art, and that is why we can offer products of such high quality.
It's this attention to detail and the quality it guarantees that's made XXIO the #1 selling brand in Japan. The new 7th edition is explained by Koji Tanaka, Department Chief of Manufacturing Technology.
The first procedure is to inspect the head of the clubs. They check the heads for flaws one by one using the naked eye. The checked product is going this side, and these heads will become the new XXIO 7 golf clubs. Here, they are inspecting the head of the woods. There are details that the human eye can't check, so they also use the automatic inspection computer to check the loft angle and score lines. But we will always check using the human eye as well. The next process is to put the badge onto the head, and this badge is manually put on, one by one. This procedure is to put the ferrule, the small ring-shaped object, onto the shaft. We use another part of the machinery to do that. There are two procedures here. The first is to balance the golf club. Our staff check the swing balance and add small weights to the head to make sure they are the same. The second procedure is to glue the head to the shaft. They put the golf clubs in there to stabilize the glue and line up the club face. The procedure here is to smooth the ferrule manually. The neck part of the head and the outside of the ferrule are bigger than the shaft, so manually they make them smooth. The next phase is to put the grip on the club. When they put on the grips, they first put on the double-sided tape. Then, after putting on the tape, they use this machine to put the grips on. They inject a liquid, allowing the shaft to slide in. The other way of doing this is manually. This machinery is our own design and was only introduced recently. And the merit of this is that it is environmentally friendly. To make sure the grip is aligned correctly to the center of the shaft, they use a laser to line it up with the club. There are three things they're doing here. The first one is the torque test, to check the head and the shaft are completely glued together. They then check the final swing weight of the golf club to see if it's within our range. And finally, they put on the shrink wrap. They put this in the machinery to shrink. The final procedure in this factory is to put on the stickers and the head covers. The staff, one by one, check the quality with the naked eye, rather than by machinery. It is essential that we do this, as the next process is to send it to the customer. So this is the most important procedure.
There are two key points to manufacturing high-quality products. One of them is producing products with in-house development and our own manufacturing facilities with control systems. The other is strict inspection, especially for last inspection for the assembly line. We inspect each club one by one to make sure the finished golf products and check all the areas. I believe that the families of our staff have good reason to be proud of their relatives, because here at DGCC, we work for dreams.
A fascinating insight into this precision manufacturing that makes every XXIO 7 club a golfing masterpiece.